see this? Did you see this? Oh my god, I'm so excited to show you this video. I decided to show you, create for you a beautiful, glowing, waterproof makeup look. In this video, I will also share with you secret makeup artist tips. If you not yet know who I am, I'm Nordstrom beauty stylist. 20 years I'm with Nordstrom. I don't work for any brand. I teach my clients how to look beautiful and fabulous every day, special day. Okay, let's start. Love you more than ice cream. Let's go have fun. Okay, first item, which one I'm gonna use, it's a Bobbi Brown brand new foundation, 15 SPF, 24-hour moisturizer foundation. But this foundation is waterproof. We don't need no more umbrella. Sweat and humidity proof, transfer resistant. I think it's one of my favorite right now foundation. I like how it looks natural. When I apply it looks a little bit glowing, but after I'll say a few minutes it's become more natural matte finish. And for my concealer, I'm gonna use Bye Bye on the Eye by It Cosmetic concealer. Waterproof, anti-aging, it's perfect for dark circles like mine. I'm still in pain. I fell down at Nordstrom a couple months ago, and I'm just so sick and tired and in pain. I need a good concealer. Okay, let me show you how these two products looks amazing on me. And of course, if you like any of the products I'm gonna show you today, I have a link below for you. I just want you to see half of my face. This is foundation. It's not just incredible because it's waterproof. It also minimizes my pores. I really want camera to come close. Look at me with foundation and without foundation. I think you can see a big difference. A lot of people making mistakes. They think about waterproof makeup, it's heavy, it's full coverage. No, absolutely no. It's a, I will say, concealer full coverage because I need foundation medium coverage. If you really want to look like way more lighter your makeup, use after you applying with brush your makeup, use beauty blender, go one more time, just I will say absorb extra oil if you have, or absorb extra product. But look at this, my sponge almost clean, and my skin, it's combinational too oily, but I think my makeup looks really natural. Time for blush, and I have a secret weapon, I will say. This is actually, it's a lipstick, waterproof lipstick from MAC, Lucky Kiss ink number 61. It's always so hard for me to pronounce this name, but you can use this as a blush. How I apply it? I apply it on my hand. Sorry, my hand a little bit navy. It's just from falling down. I have right now beauty blender. I'm adding to a beauty blender this lipstick, and I apply it on my cheek. I build in color. It looks natural. It's waterproof. It tastes really good. Time to set my makeup, and I'm gonna use waterproof powder from Laura Mercier. This is its translucent, pressed, talc free, again waterproof setting powder. This is also 18-hour hydrating powder. This is its little sample. It's come in 3 different colors, and it's $52. Of course, I will put link below with all products. Okay, I apply it on my puff, kind of pushing product inside, and I'm just gonna press to my skin. Again, this is it's your transparent powder. I also like another powder. I look everywhere in the house, I could not find, but Urban Decay have incredible waterproof also powder. If it's you don't want a transparent, or it's just a little bit different, I feel texture. I like two of them. You need a pencil and you need a blending brush. I'm gonna apply on entire my eyelids this beautiful gel blue color. Why I like this pencil, why I always recommend this pencil to my clients, for one reason: it's not hard, it's very easy to apply, it's not stretching my eye skin, because believe me or not, after 45, I just recently celebrate my birthday, my eye area very gentle. I don't want to use hard pencil, would stretch my skin. Very pretty. Now I have a big blending brush, and I'm gonna slightly little bit blend this pencil, make it a little bit softer. I wait maybe 1 more or 2 minutes, and I like to reapply this pencil one more time. I want a little bit more intensity. If you do not want, you could just leave like this. But I want a little bit more brightness. First, I really apply this eyeliner close to my lashes. And then I just go up. And then I will use this pencil also under between my lashes. Now I apply this eyeliner a little bit angle way and making little bit like a wing. Little on another side I have sponge, and I'm just gonna pull this eyeliner. Oh, my little Pomeranian barking, sorry. What do you think? Do you like this look? I love it. Summer, and I want my skin to glowing. I want sparkles. I'm gonna use waterproof eyeshadow from Bobbi Brown, and it's Moonstone. I apply it on my finger. I warm this product, and now I'm just gonna apply above this blue color, just like right here, very little. It's not a big sparkles, it's not intense sparkles, it's so pretty. Oh, I love this. Now I'm gonna use waterproof eyeliner from YSL. It's brand new eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply very close to my brow bone. And again, I have a big blending clean brush. I'm gonna slightly, very quick, smooth this eyeliner. My eyes is almost done. Remember, all this eye product, it's waterproof, and you need to work very quick. But I have big blending brush. I am gonna apply transparent powder from Laura Mercier, which one it's waterproof. I basically like removing or pushing product inside my brush, and I'm gonna apply this powder on entire my eyelid. I wanna make sure this eyeshadow will not run, not crease, and because it's transparent, color stays the same. I love my eyes, but I think I want a little bit extra. I'm gonna use waterproof eyeliner from Lancome Idol, and I have another tip for you. If your eye area oily, if underneath oily, please do not use underneath any eyeliner. Leave alone. Let me put right now liquid eyeliner on top, because you will see a huge difference. Let's finish this look with two great waterproof mascara. Yes, girls, you need waterproof mascara. I'm gonna use YSL waterproof mascara on the top because I like this brush and I like this mascara give me nice beautiful volume. And for the bottom, I'm gonna use this big blue mascara from Dior, but I'm not gonna use this spoolie. I have disposable small tiny brush. I'm gonna use this spoolie for my lower lashes because this one Dior is a little bit too big for my lower lashes. Okay, let's finish this look. I need your help, girls. Let me know what is your favorite brand for waterproof volume mascara, because I I believe like 3 or 4. Rest of don't do nothing to me. I do like YSL mascara. It looks very good. But you let me know what is your favorite waterproof mascara. For my lips, I want some soft neutral lip color. I'm gonna use same color which one I use for my blush waterproof lipstick from MAC Lucky Kiss number 61. And for my lip liner, thank you Lancome, they sent to me free lip liners to my house. I'm gonna use waterproof lip liner number 33 Idol Nude, and I have a big video with all waterproof lip liners from Lancome. Please check it out, my link. Love you more than ice cream. This is such a beautiful, will be soft lip colors. I love them and I get in so many compliments. And I have something else coming for you, some big surprise. Just wait. I love my makeup, I love my lip color. Let me know if you like or not. To finish this look, I'm gonna use one side satin mist, and this is it's your waterproof, transfer proof, smudge proof, all day wear and modified satin mist. I love how this product smells, but I try do not breathe this product, but I love this. This is truly one of my favorite waterproof satin mist. But wait, I have way more to show you. You need to know how to remove this makeup, and I have a big surprise for you. Now I'm gonna little bit boast to you, and I'm gonna show you items which one I'm gonna use to remove my makeup. Yes, I received PR box from brand Elemis. It's a very healthy high-end skincare brand. They sent me these 3 items. I have Pro-Collagen Moisturizer with 30 SPF. I have here pads, exfoliating pads, and famous cleansing balm. I'm gonna use this cleansing balm first. I will melt my makeup, and then I will rinse, and then I will follow with my favorite number one, listen girls, this is number 1, the best eye makeup remover, and it's Chanel. Yes, I used to work for so many brands and I like this one and this one, but Chanel eye makeup remover is the best. And now I have a big surprise for you. I finished my look, but I have, like I promised to you, big surprise. Just watch. I'm gonna show you how I record shorts video for my YouTube video, and for a big video, which one you're watching now. Please support me. Give me thumbs up.
Oh my God!
Do you like my surprise? My makeup it stay, it's truly waterproof. I hope you have fun with me, and if you are, Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe my YouTube channel. I really want to grow my community. Love you more than ice cream. Bye everyone.